I like to make something that make people happy.
What food you like kind of develops all the time.
The culture of dining in Odense is going to, skyrocket down.
And I think it's going the right way.
I've only been here for like 2.5 years, so I'm kind of a tourist here, but I really love it and they should come see it.
We would like to show that you can cook very nice food without using any expensive stuff. So we don't do any pretentious stuff. We like that when people eat, they get like happy, and this is how food should taste. And if you cook it right and treat it with respect, I think people can taste that this is a really nice product.
My name is Pasfall. I've been cooking for approximately 25 years. For the last 7 years I've been here, located in Odense. My inspirations come from the season, being out in the nature, just walking by the sea or going in the forest. I like to take some old Danish dishes and do it another way, something new every day.
My name is Bjørn Jacobsen. I've been a chef for 14 years. I didn't know anything about the food scene on Fyn, but I knew Christopher, so I called him and I said, I'm moving to Fyn and I'm buying a farm and I want to open a restaurant. Are you game? And he said yes. Our inspiration is textures. We're always thinking about when you eat a dish, there's something crisp, soft, sweet, salt.
My name is Peter.
And I'm Anders.
Yes. And we are both head chefs and co-owners of the restaurant. We came up with the balcony, which is a fine dining restaurant that has a main concern of the welfare of diners and also the producers we use. We do the presentation, the serving, making sure that the guest gets to know everything about the dish, so no details are left out.